Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a 3-strand rope braid. So we are going to start off with a small section in the front and we're going to divide the hair into 3 equal sections. And since we're braiding on the left side of the head, we're going to start with the left section. We're going to cross it underneath the other 2 sections and then we're going to twist it away. And then we're going to do this with all 3 of the sections before we start adding hair. So twist across that bottom or that left section underneath so that it becomes the right and twist it. Make sure you're twisting it away or to the right. Last section, cross underneath, twist away. Now that we have all 3 of those sections twisted around once, we're going to start adding a small amount of hair to each section. So we're going to add that little bit of hair to the section on the left. We're going to cross it under. And then we're going to twist it to the right. Now an important thing to note is wherever you hold the hair or wherever you hold the braid is where that braid is going to lay on the head. Now when I do French rope braids, I do like to hold it a little bit closer to the face. Just feel like it looks a little cuter when you can see the braid, and it also helps make sure that the hair around the face is wavy the next day if you're choosing to braid this way to create the wave effect for the next day. Which French rope braids are one of my favorite ways to create heatless waves. I feel like it's a much more natural look than a traditional French braid. Take that next section. Notice we're just taking a section all the way across because we're always grabbing hair from the left. We got to make sure we're grabbing hair all the way across. And keep twisting the opposite direction. Now, in theory, you could do a French rope braid with as many strands as you want. It's just a matter of successfully holding all of the strands of hair. I think it can be a little bit trickier with a French rope braid than a traditional French braid. Once you run out of hair to add to the braid, you're just going to continue on wrapping each section underneath and twisting it away and keeping that braid as tight as you can, and then you can braid down as far as you'd like. Here you have the finished 3-strand rope French braid. On the other side, I did a 2-strand French rope braid so you can see the difference. The 3-strand is obviously more detailed. I personally like the appearance a lot better, although this style is a little bit trickier. And again, as I mentioned, wherever you hold that braid is where it appears. I like to hold it closer to the face when I braid, but you can hold it closer to the center or closer to the part, however you prefer it. I just like to make sure I have as much wave towards the front of the face because I love doing this style, and then sleeping on it to create next day waves because that creates a beautiful beach wave look. I hope this video helps you all out, and please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.